Hey guys, Car Hacker here, and in this video I will show you how we clear a Volkswagen or an Audi 65535 error code inside the airbag module. Now, you cannot clear it with the scan tool. The only tools that can clear it are the ones that can clear the crash data. Similar tools, similar programmers. Now I'm going to be using CarPro, and of course here's my culprit. This is a Volkswagen ECU. I have it already connected, so done the heavy lifting already. It won't take long for me to show you how it's done. I will go to my desktop and I will show you how we do it. I already have it connected, pretty much VW, diag, K-line. They have a pin out right here. I have it connected. Make sure you have your power supply. Obviously you need the power, so it powers this unit. And of course we're just going to hit read. Once we read it, obviously this is similar what the scan tool reads. It will read all the trouble codes regarding or disregard all these codes except 65535 controller malfunction. These codes we don't care because obviously this airbag module is not connected to all these airbags. So this is what we're going to fix. I'm going to go to my EEPROM portion of it. I will go read this EEPROM. We always back up our original file. That way we have a file in case we need to come back to it. So here's our original file. All the customer's information is here. The coding, everything's here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to save this as VW bad 65535 just in case, and then pretty simple, clear crash. This deletes the hard codes, the crash data, and of course the 65535 code. So we're going to clear the crash data 65535 code, and once we do that we'll just clear the fault memory and recheck it again. So let's just clear it, and it's going to clear the trouble codes. Hopefully soon. Now, like I said, this is the process of doing it. 65535 scanner, regular basic scanner, will not clear this hard code. If it's a physical issue with the hardware, it won't help. Now, if it's software, this will fix it. Now, if you need this service done for your vehicle, we can do that. Now let me just power off the ignition or disconnect my programmer, power it back on. Now let's just read it and see if we're communicating with it. Also, yep, so diagnostic interface data, no 65535, nothing there. So this is how we do 65535 error reset. Now if you need this service done for your vehicle, I will leave a link in the description. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.